Dee scoop, scoop dee dee whoop, whoop dee scoop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I followed a Pinterest hair care routine, and I just want to take you guys along the process to let you know if I see a difference. So first, I am starting off with 2 eggs. This is the first egg so far, and I'm adding in the second one, and then we're going to add in some honey, and then I'm also going to drop a few drops of coconut oil and castor oil just to make sure that my hair is getting the moisture and hydration that it needs so my hair won't be dry and brittle. And after I finish adding the oils, I'm going to just really whip the eggs and castor oil and coconut oil and honey just all together to make sure it's going to have that thick consistency. Okay, so as I am mixing, it is kind of difficult to whip eggs with a spoon. Most people use a fork, but I just wanted to stick with the spoon because I felt that would be a lot easier for me, but it was not. So please use a fork or just a mixer. And once you finish with the product, it will have like this slimy, milky type texture, which is what you want.
Paint the skies all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move.
Okay, so right now there is nothing in my hair. I just woke up not too long ago, and this is my hair. It's very frizzy, and I feel like it was really dry, and it just needed a really good wash. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to dampen my hair. I'm not going to add in any product. I just want to go ahead and just get my hair stretched out and prepared for what I'm about to do to it. So in this water mixture, I have water, of course, and I also have the Aussie 3-minute Miracle deep conditioner, and I think I have a little bit of castor oil in there, just some oil to make sure that I have some extra hydration. And so I'm just going to dampen my hair all over to prepare it for the products that's about to go in. And now what I'm going to do is separate my hair into sections. I'm not going to detangle. I'm going to detangle when I'm applying the product in my hair. So we are going to do 4 different sections. So there's going to be the first section at the top by my forehead. Then there's going to be 2 puff balls, 1 for each side. And then there's going to be a spot in the back that I have. Okay, so now I am about to show you what your product should look like. It's very slimy. It's mostly because of the egg that's in it that's giving it this kind of effect to it. So I just want to make sure I have a good amount in the palm of my hands Try not to get it everywhere because it is slimy and it will just drip all over the place. So make sure you have on like a t-shirt or a towel around your neck that's something that you don't really care about. So I'm just generously applying it to my hands and to my hair, and then I will eventually run my fingers through it just to make sure that I'm detangling, so it won't be as tough when I'm rinsing my hair out.
Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Okay, so I'm going to show you guys up close what it's supposed to be looking like. And I'm just doing just the finger method where you just run your fingers through your hair. I did not want to use a comb or a brush because I feel like it would pull my hair out. So I'm just going real light, and I'm also touching around in my hair to see if I feel any dry pieces or just some areas that I think just needs more of the product in my hair. Okay, now I'm just going to repeat the same method in different sections of my hair, and I'm probably going to fast forward through this so you guys just won't have to sit here and just watch me do it each time.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Okay, so now we're at the end, and as you can see, I am using my bowl to pour like the rest of the products that I cannot fit into my hands, and I'm just making sure it's getting to my scalp and any other sections that I feel like I have missed.
Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
Okay, so after that, I'm going to take this shopper's plastic bag and apply it over my hair. You can also use a shower cap. Treat it like it's a deep conditioner, so do not leave it in your hair for a long time, somewhere between 15 to 30 minutes, which is what I'm going to do. I just want to make sure that enough heat is getting to my scalp and it's penetrating my follicles. And after that, I will come back and tell you what's next. Okay, so these are the products that I'm going to be using for shampoo. I'm using the Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration shampoo. I rarely use shampoo in my hair, but I really like this one. And then we're going to use the Eden's Bodywork Natural Deep Conditioner in jojoba. And for conditioner, I'm going to use the Argan Oil of Moisture Conditioner. This one is my favorite conditioner. So after I did all that in the shower, this is the results of my hair. I feel like my hair is very hydrated. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit closer so you guys can see these curls. My curls look very moisturized. After this, I'm going to do a protective style. But one thing before I forget, when you are rinsing out the product, do not use super hot water because the egg will cook in your hair. You may see in my hair that there are some white pieces, and that is the egg that cooked itself. So now, once again, I'm going to section off my hair, but it's only going to be like one section, so almost like a puff. And right there, you can really see the egg that's in my hair. So I am going to use a microfiber towel over my hair. And it's okay if all your hair is not going in the puff. It's just so you can get enough of your hair to fit into the towel. I also have really bad trouble with fitting all my hair in the towel. And so I use just a puff, pineapple method, whatever you want to call it, just to make sure a majority of my hair is in there. So after I did this to my hair, I applied some oil, some leave-in, and some moisturizer, basically the lock method. And then I put my hair in a protective style. I'll show you in the next clip my protective style. Let me know if you want a tutorial on it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay watching for more hair tips or beauty tips. All right, bye.
Whoop-dee-dee scoop poop.